Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my day 3 of our journey English speaking practice. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to watch my past video and subscribe for a daily English speaking practice with me. Let's speak going together. Let's start with a small speaking practice warm up. Let's repeat with me. This is a beautiful day. This is a beautiful day. This is a beautiful day. I am learning. I am learn something new. I am learn something new. I am learn something new. I can speak English with confidence. I can speak English with confidence. I can speak English with confidence. Remember, confidence is more than importance perfection. Confidence is more than importance your perfection. Let's practice a short topic, my daily routine. I wake up at 5:30 in the morning and I go to running and then back to my home 6:30 to 7:30 in the morning. Then I fresh and eat my breakfast and ready for my college classes. After I return back to my college, I go to evening walk with my friends, and then I back to my home. I read some English speaking books, English book, and watch English classes on YouTube. And then I finally go to my bed 10:30 p.m. This is my whole day to night routine. If you found this video helpful for you, like it and subscribe for day 3. Thank you.